Working in a new environment may present challenges, particularly when that environment is your home. New distractions and different equipment may impact your overall comfort in a home office. But modifications can be made to maximize your comfort and support your overall health, safety, and wellness. This video presents tips which will help you arrange your home office in a way that supports a more ergonomic setup to maximize your comfort, improve your ability to focus, and be productive and safe. Limit distractions by moving your workstation setup to a quiet area of your house. Use headphones to block out external noise if needed. Use a stable surface to work on. Set up on a solid table or desk and make sure it is clutter-free. If your work surface is too high and you can't lower it, try using a taller chair or add a cushion to the seat pan to lift you up. Always make sure your feet are supported. You can also change your posture to a standing position if the work surface is tall enough. When possible, use a chair with a backrest that supports your lower back. If your chair has no back support, try adding a pillow to the back of the chair. You can also roll up a towel and place it in the small of your back. Your knees should be bent at 90 to 120 degrees, with 2 to 3 inches of space between your legs and the front edge of the seat. Your feet should be supported either on the floor or on a footrest. If your feet are not touching the ground because the chair is too tall and you don't have a footrest, you can place books, boxes, or plastic containers under the feet. Make sure the surface is not slippery. It is recommended to use an external keyboard and mouse with your laptop computer. Arrange the keyboard and mouse so that they're beside each other at the same height and close to the front edge of the work surface. If you feel pressure on your wrists, you can use a small hand towel as a palm support. You can also try raising yourself in the chair to lessen the pressure on your wrists. If you can, elevate the monitor so the top of the screen is at eye level. If you have an external keyboard and mouse, you can try raising the laptop computer with some books or a box. To give your eyes a break, implement the 20-20-20 rule. Look away from the screen every 20 minutes for 20 seconds and focus on an object 20 feet away. Periodically looking away from the screen and refocusing on an object in the distance allows the eyes to have a change in focus. Also, increasing the size of text on your screen can help decrease the possibility of eye strain. Position your workstation perpendicular to windows to minimize outside sources of glare. You can also close the blinds during brighter periods of the day. Avoid placing task lights directly over the screen or in a position that directly shines in the eyes. While taking phone calls, use a headset, earphones, or speakerphone to decrease the strain placed on your neck by using the phone between your ear and shoulder. Take a movement break every 30 minutes and a short walk around your work area every hour. Consider taking phone calls while standing up and walking. You can use a kitchen island or ironing board to raise yourself to work in a standing position as long as you are not bending down to see your monitor, as this can cause back discomfort over an extended period of time. If possible, use the video features on your phone or computer to stay connected to coworkers. Working at home can at times feel isolating, and seeing coworkers even virtually can help staff feel connected. Good hygiene practices are essential in preventing the spread of COVID-19. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly and regularly. Be sure to add practices to your day that support your overall wellness. Eat healthily, be physically active, and take steps to reduce your stress.